Devin, you are the love of my life and the light of my world. I know I can stare down any challenge and know that you'll be there with me with advice, a joke, and love. And I love that I get to share it with you for the rest of our lives. I love you.
Josh, you've been my best friend since we were 14, and I've known for a very long time that you'd be my forever. And I know without a shadow of a doubt that I want to spend the rest of my life by your side. Thank you for giving me the happiest days of my life. I love you.
I give you this ring to wear with love and passion. As this ring is for eternity, my love for you is forever.
I give you this ring to wear with love and passion. As this ring is for eternity, my love for you is forever.
You may kiss the bride. Everybody in this room should be sharing in the happiness of Josh and Devin, of course, because it's about them. I'm going to make the toast to the beautiful couple up there, Mr. and Mrs. Skidmore. You guys just have the most amazing hearts, and you just care about everybody more than you care about anything. I want to say thank you, and that I love you guys, and that I wish you guys a lifetime of happiness, and I cannot wait to be there by your side for the rest of your guys' life.
I've known Josh for as long as I have known Devin and feel privileged to have witnessed the love that they share for each other since I met them 12 years ago. I love you both, and I am so happy that we are finally here to celebrate your love and the commitment that you've made and will continue to make to each other.